The sun is very hot today. It is bright. Oh no. My poor plants look very thirsty.
I must go outside. I will help them.
Hello, garden. I am coming. The air smells fresh. I like the morning. Where is my equipment? I need the can. There it is, my favorite watering can. It is light now because it is empty. I need water from the tap. Here we go. The water flows fast. It is clear. Now it is heavy. I must be strong. First, the red roses. They are beautiful. Drink up, little flowers. The soil is dry. That is better. They look happy now. Who is next? The vegetables are waiting. The tomatoes are sad. Their leaves are down. Water for the roots. This helps you grow. Soon this will be red and tasty. Oh, it is empty again. Back to the tap. More water. The garden is big today. I cannot forget the hanging basket. It is high. Look! The water comes out the bottom. This grass is brown. It needs a drink too. Turn green again, please. Stay healthy. Wow! This flower is very tall. A little bee. It likes the yellow petals. I will water the bottom. Be safe, Mr. Bee. Gardening is hard work. I need a rest. My gloves are dirty. That is okay. The can is too slow. I will use the hose. It is very long. I can reach the back now. I want the gentle spray, not the hard jet. This is faster. It looks like rain. The dust is washing away. Shiny and clean. You are a young tree. Drink plenty of water. Oh, a weed. You do not belong here. Whew. Got you. Sorry, weed. Gardens need care. We must remove the bad plants. Back to watering.
I am almost finished.
These are herbs for cooking. They smell strong. Basil is my favorite scent. Too much water here. I made a puddle. The watering is done. Time to stop. I must be tidy. Wind the hose up. Everything is wet. The garden looks fresh. My hands are hot. Gloves off now. My hands are clean. Whew. Good gloves. A cloud is coming. Maybe it will cool down. Look! A butterfly. It likes the water too. It has orange wings. Nature is amazing. I found a snack. A fresh cucumber. I will eat this for lunch. It grew fast. Gardening makes me happy. I love my home. Safe inside. Now I need a drink. Wash away the garden dirt. Soap is good. Lemonade. It is cold and sweet.
That is refreshing.
The garden looks darker now. The soil is wet. The birds found the puddle. They are taking a bath. Everyone is happy today. Even the birds. Time to make a salad. Fresh food is best. Slice, slice. Careful with the knife. They look like green coins. Very crunchy. Yum. It tastes like water and summer. It is 12 o'clock. The sun is highest now. I will block the sun. Keep the house cool. Hard work is finished. Now I can read. A book about flowers. I can learn more. I want to plant blue flowers next year. These are pretty. Blue is a nice color. I am a little sleepy. The sun makes me tired. Just a short nap. My plants are safe. Goodbye for now. Happy gardening!